welcome back to Mario Platformer Episode 3. So we have left off from Mario Platformer Episode 2. So this is what we have done last time. It is pretty cool. We've added animations and to begin this gravity, and we can start doing it. So to do that, you want to make a new variable, naming it gravity. We go to replace this and press OK. So you receive set up loop. Here it is. Sorry, not set up broadcast, and you want to make sure when we set gravity to 5. Back down to this, and let's just have a bit of a test out. So here's the M key. It's true. So now arrows and up arrows. So go to when I receive gravity broadcast loop. If gravity equals true, now we want to do something. So but we press the M key. Well, now, yes, we can fly. Finally, we can fly. And if we go back to normal. Yeah, this is actually going across the part. But press that space key without it being true, and you see it won't do it. We only want to do this if this only do this if the space key is not pressed. Yes, pressed, clean up blocks. And let's see how that works in our favor. Here it is, we can jump. We would say, and a boom, 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 we can move. There he is. Yep, that's that. Have to do something. I can't leave you hanging. Well, let's get prepared for the next episode. You're probably wondering, what the frick? List. Luckily, my friend Griff Patch explained this in one of his videos in his Mario Scrolling Platformer episode 2. So go watch that video if you want to. Across the whole world or the whole project box in the world. So this will be grid 1, grid 2. There's way more to it, but that's a simple explanation for you. So let's get prepared for it. This is kind of new to us. Apps grid list right now, and make sure it's for all sprites. Press OK. This is to store multiple information in it as the top. And how about we add a and only our frames here? And how about we actually cleaned up? Now that's the definition. We've set up the list, but we might need a new variable called index. So this is to show where we're in the list. For alright, I think we'll set it up enough as well right now. So this will be the end of this tutorial. Try to make it as fun as possible. Scratches video coming out on Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday. See you, goodbye, Scratches. Oh, I just killed my ex. I don't care if I think I'm dumb. There is someone screaming now. It can't be him. It can't be me. Might be. What? I didn't even press anything. Oh, yeah. I just killed my ex. I just killed my ex. Oh, what I with the floor? Huh? Why? Stupid thing. Alright then. What? What do you mean it's open? What?